Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Make sure you have a verified Google Pay account and an active Zomato account ready. Use the same phone number on both apps for smooth processing. Open Google Pay and tap Offers to locate the Zomato deal with exact cashback details. Read the terms carefully to confirm minimum order value and expiration. If the offer needs activation, tap Use or Activate before you place an order on Zomato. Keep screenshots of the activated offer for troubleshooting later. Open Zomato and add your food items to the cart and proceed to checkout. Before finalizing, ensure you activated the Zomato offer inside Google Pay. At payment, select UPI and pick Google Pay as the UPI app to complete the transaction. Enter your UPI PIN and confirm payment exactly as shown in Google Pay. The cashback is typically credited to your Google Pay account within 24 hours to 7 days. Keep the order receipt and transaction. If cashback does not arrive, first confirm the offer terms and eligibility on Google Pay and Zomato. Gather your Zomato receipt, UPI transaction ID, and screenshots of the activated offer. Contact Google Pay support and submit these details. Expect a response within 3 to 5 business days. Avoid splitting payments across multiple transactions because that can void single-order offers and minimum order conditions. For consistent savings, monitor monthly offer frequency and set reminders.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.